down to the beach today with it, and I'm driving it right now. So I've got to drive back closer to the beach and pick up my wife and son. But since I've got the bus with me, I can do a quick video. Plus the ones I already sent. These are all new window seals. All this stuff, all these are new window seals around it. The top part has seals too, new sealant right here. Put sealant in there so that it won't leak through and get water in there. This is also new as well. I have this piece right here. It's snaps in like this one here. I have that piece. See, you open the door. Oh, it's locked. Open the door. I have these kit panels. They're nice and fresh, like the ones on the back. See how nice those are? I've got those. I'm gonna put them on very soon, and probably do a little cleaning as well, just to make it a little cleaner than it already is. But you get a really good idea of everything in it. So yeah, man, let me know what you think. I can send some more photos. Any questions you have, let me know. Let me here, I'll start it up right now for you, so you can get an idea of fire's right up, idle's nice and smooth. Oh, that was a little cold, I guess. Oops, I turned the windshield wipers on by mistake. The windshield wipers work. You see how they spin? It works. I just haven't put the windshield wipers on, but I have those as well. Notice how it's staying on and idling fine now. I think it was just cold or something. It's been sitting a couple hours. We went to the beach. So anyway, idling fine now, and I'll take off. I would continue videotaping, but I can't do both and drive. So I'll send you more video and pics if you need. If you have questions, just let me know. Thanks, man. Bye.